primetime news this evening. Train them? State entities lined up to assist crab circle vendors with best practices. Public health inspectors want the vendor in the crab circle debacle to be charged. And political parties continue to campaign ahead of expected local government election.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. Special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands, as well as those online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Janella, this evening we're talking insurance. What's happening in the market? Our price is gonna be lower by the end of this year, so you wanna stick around to find out.
I kind of feel that the answer is that they're not going to be lower. But anyway, Jordan Ford has a preview of what's coming up in primetime sports.
Well, Archie, by now we should have heard of the incident, including Kellitz High School and Innswood High School in the schoolboy football competitions for the use of ineligible players. Both schools were banned for the rest of this season and as well next season. Well, more sanctions could be coming. I'll tell you why in Primetime Sports Monday.
And I know some people who washed their car. I'm not going to say not people like Keys who wash his car knowing that it's going to rain. But Romaine is here to tell us whether or not we should expect more rain in the forecast this weekend or this week.
We can expect some more rainfall across the island. We can also expect some very heavy showers and thunderstorms, much of which we have been seeing for most of today across most parishes. We're expecting a drying trend sometime in the afternoon on Wednesday.
Thank you, Romaine. There is also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking what should be done to ensure street vendors offer safe food to customers at all times.
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us as well at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.